By opening your heart during conversations, you allow yourself to release the emotions of doubt and negativity, to release the past and say, hey, here's an opportunity to have a conversation in the moment. But it's not just about relationships, it's about friendships as well, being comfortable in friendships and being open and having those conversations. A guarded heart, my friends, can't receive love in no way, shape, or form. Not the real kind of love. And closed hands